wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am back with some more fragrances. If you guys want to know my thoughts on these, let's go. So I got a package in the mail from Finery. I know that they are available in Target. I actually have smelled them before. I'm not sure, but I feel like, aren't they supposed to be like luxury but affordable fragrances that are kind of like dupes for more well-known fragrances? Who else did that? Like Bath and Body just came out with those body mist, even though they already took them off shelves because y'all don't know how to act, and they're not bringing them back until the fall time. But they were body mists that are supposed to be, you know, ooh, I feel a cough coming on. They were body mists that are supposed to be, you know, dupes of well-known fragrances. Like I know there was one that's supposed to be a Billie Eilish, the original gold dupe, that I saw one saying that they were dupes of Tom Ford and all that type of stuff. I believe these are supposed to be like that. Don't quote me though. They might just be, you know, they just happen to smell like more luxury fragrances, but I also feel like it's also probably intentional. But I'm also a little confused because I'm like, maybe I just smelled the body mist in Target because I've literally gone into Target, smelled them, but I'm looking at what's in this box and I'm like, this isn't what it looked like in Target. So maybe I was only smelling the body mist and I've actually never smelled the perfumes. But again, it's here. I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, first of all, I guess those are all the ones that they have. Need a thumbnail. I guess those are all the ones that they have. But I wonder if this will tell me. Enter the world of luxury fragrance where everyone deserves to feel fine. Okay, Finery. Oh, maybe it's just telling me about the ones that are in the box. No, I think this is telling me about all the ones that they offer. Where the price at? Okay, y'all need to put that on the little thingies too. It says scan me, so hold on. Maybe they are the same perfumes. Okay, so it looks like the actual perfumes retail for $29.99 for 2.02 fluid ounces, and the body mists retail for $14.99 for 5 fluid ounces. Okay, all right. I don't see anything telling me, you know, about the actual like brand itself, so let's just get to smelling. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the packaging. Focus, get darker. Hold on. There we go. All right. Okay, so this is I'm a Musk. Scent experience, blissfully floating through a daydream. It smells like fluffy musk, cotton blossom, creamy sandalwood. I feel like when a lot of people hear the word musk, they think musty. And in my experience, a lot of musk fragrances do give, you know, musty. But also, you know, I feel like sometimes musk fragrances, like, I'll leave that to the men. Like, I like the smell on men. On me, not so much. But let's go. Oh, on that Jackie Aina video, I got a lot of comments like, you're supposed to spray it on yourself. You're not gonna know if you don't like it. I'm pretty sure most people know that they are supposed to spray it on themselves to like really see how it mixes with your body chemistry. But also I feel like a lot of people are not testing like 8, 9 on themselves at once, and I don't want to smell like 8, 9 different fragrances at the same time. It's not that big of a difference. Like your opinion usually doesn't change that much if you spray it on the little tester or spray it in the air to get a vibe if you like it or not. Okay, so let's calm down. Wait a minute. You definitely smell musk with this. But I am not mad at it. It's like a floral musk. This is giving very much so like nice summer day. You're gonna go outside. You want to be outside. You're doing outside festivities. But still girly, flirty. Oh, wait a minute. See, now I kind of do want to spray it on my body. I like this. Hold on. Ooh, I kind of missed I keep missing my wrist.
I like this. And I just said all that about how I like how it smells on a man and not myself. But is there a luxury fragrance that this reminds me of? I feel like there is. Hold on. Aqua was the first thing that came to mind after smelling that. So I wonder, let's see. No, it's not a dupe for this. It smells like something though. It smells good. I like it. Okay, up next we've got Before the Rainbow. Scent Experience, the refreshing calmness after the rain. Smells like salty air, bergamot, tree moss. I don't know if y'all saw the video I just posted on TikTok. I got the Discovery set from Replica, and it has like 10 in there, and I was going through it, and one thing I will give the brand, the name of the fragrance usually tells you like what it's going to smell like. So if it says it's going to smell like, you know, salt water, it's going to smell like salt water. If it says it's going to smell like orange juice, it's going to smell like orange juice. And a lot of the Replica fragrances gave like, they had like, you know, park date, you know, rain, this, it smelled like rain. Okay, and I don't want to smell like rain. I'm not trying to smell like outside. So the fact that it says the refreshing calmness after the rain, well, we're here, so let's go. I like the packaging though. It's still like nice and fancy for only $3. I don't oh my god. Ooh, went down my throat. I don't hate it. It does kind of smell like outside, but like clean outside. If I was going to wear this is one of those fragrances that you wear like before you go to bed so that you can just smell nice and clean. But it does give, you know, outside. You know how the first one, I Am Musk, I was like, that smells like, you know, you're gonna be outside, you're gonna be like a nice summer's day. This also smells like outside, but like I wouldn't want to be outside in this. You know, yeah, like I said, if you work from home or you're just gonna be home all day, you're gonna lounge around, that type of thing, you might want to smell like this. Or before you go to bed, you might want to smell like this, because it does just smell like clean. And maybe that's what they mean by like the calmness after rain. It does get very calm, clean, but still outside. I don't hate it though. This might be one of those, maybe I would like you on a man. Okay, so I have here Pistachio Please. Scent Experience, a guilty pleasure. Smells like pistachio milk, fluffy vanilla, and tonka bean. I feel like y'all already know this is probably gonna be my favorite just off the descriptions, because usually when they say, you know, anything vanilla in there, tonka bean, I usually end up liking it. So again, cute little packaging. Ooh, please don't piss me off. Don't disappoint me. Ooh. These have to be dupes for other, because this smells like the Kayali pistachio. Then again, you know, when a fragrance has like cherry in it, I feel like they all smell like Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. It does, like, even if they're not intentionally trying to, like that Seven Virtues cherry fragrance that came out, I was like, maybe this smells like Lost Cherry. There was a cherry fragrance that I bought from Five Below. It smelled like Lost Cherry. I wonder if this is kind of the same thing, like they weren't intentionally trying to smell like pistachio from Kayali, but because it's just a pistachio fragrance, it's going to smell the same, because this smells just like the Kayali pistachio, and baby, I like that. This is a summer fragrance, okay? You trying to be outside, you trying to get ate up. Have you ever been swallowed? I don't know why I'm in such a giggly mood today, but that's what it's giving. You ever been swallowed up? But yeah, this smells good. I am here for this. Okay, finery. That's two that I'm like absolutely positively, and one where I'm like, you know, she's cute. Okay, and this is the last one that I have. It is Magnetic Candy, a nostalgic escape into a neon candy fantasy. Smells like sugared violet, pink pomelo, and cotton candy. Okay. I feel like I'll probably like this because I usually like, you know, like juicy cotton candy, sweet fragrances. That's what this one looks like. And it smells like candy. It smells like a very specific candy. I can't remember the name of the candy, but it's in my head. But I also feel like I'm catching like licorice in there. I don't hate it, but I don't know if I like it. I want that like juicy, like straight out of the bottle. It's like real sweet, and you know, sometimes I would prefer it even be a little closer to like childish or juvenile than what this is right now, because it's giving like sweet, but like I said, like licorice. Like, what does that sound? Child, they finally doing their yearly hallway shampoo. I don't remember what I was saying. But yeah, she's, you know, we're going off the rankings, the You Can't Sit With Us, the two that I was like absolutely the ones I actually sprayed on myself, we're putting them in You Can't Sit With Us. That teal one we'd put in She's Cute. This would be like meh. Like, you're cute, I could pick you up. This I'd probably have to mix with other fragrances, but if I forgot about you, I probably wouldn't be missing out on anything. But I don't hate you. And then I've got two body sprays. So the first one is Flower Bed. So let's see. I don't hate it. It smells like a flower bed. It smells like you just walked into a flower shop. I will say though, it is body mist. You know, sometimes people be going a little overboard with body mist. Y'all know that Rihanna video where she's like, I feel like if you did that with this, it would quickly become nauseating if you get headaches from, you know, smells being too powerful, because these are very strong scents. You know, it might give you a headache, stuff like that. But if you use this, you know, very calmly and in combination with other fragrances, I feel like if you like florals, you'll like it. It's again very girly, very spring, summer. I'm not mad at this. Oh, but like you also probably, because it just does smell like flower bed, may not want to mix this too much with other floral fragrances. Okay, and the last thing we're smelling is Without a Trace. Let's see. This is reminding me of the teal one, where it's like it's a clean fragrance. Like, you get out of the shower, spray this down. If you don't wear, you know, perfume to bed, but maybe you wear body mist, maybe you want something a little lighter, I feel like that's what you would wear this for. Or again, just to lounge around the house, stuff like that. This is probably the most subtle out of everything that I've tried. Without a Trace. But I like her. Like I said, she's giving very clean, very fresh. Ooh, very clean, very fresh. It reminds me of like fresh linen. I like that. And yeah, y'all, that is it for everything that I am trying in today's video. Like I said, I don't remember the perfumes looking like this, and I feel like I would have remembered if I smelled them. So maybe I was smelling the body mist in Target before, but I've heard about this brand before, and I do like whatever it was that I smelled in Target. I like these. Like I said, I feel like there's some balance in there for, you know, people like, you want something strong, it's going to stick, you're going to smell it hours later there's something in there for you. But I do like the fact that there was some in there, a little more subtle, a little more, you know, if you're not trying to do too much, or if you do, you know, need like mixer type things because maybe you've got really strong perfume but you want a lighter body mist, just to kind of make sure your body is just giving everything that it needs to give. Okay. And like the scents, I like how they vary. Y'all know, not the biggest floral fragrance. I definitely gotten into it more in like the last year. But I found one, the I Am Musk. Yeah. The what was the other one? The pistachio. Yeah. Um, the teal one, like I said, I could see times where it would work for me. It's only the candy one, or the cotton candy one, that's throwing me off a little bit. So now I kind of want to go in store and see what the other ones look like, because that red one, but and they are like $29.99, $14.99. I do like they're affordable. Again, I don't know if they're supposed to be like exact replicas of other fragrances. If they are, and if there are fragrances that you're just not going to put out $200 for, $400 for, maybe go into Target, check it out, see if you like how these smell and if they're giving other fragrances that you would like to purchase but just are not going to purchase because of the price. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. So let me know down below if there are any other ones from this line that I need to go check out, because absolutely positively. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.